Okay, here's a problem that's a little bit different than the other one. Okay, we want to convert 2.317 repeating to a fraction. Okay, in this problem, okay, we still want to get rid of these two digits in between the decimal point and the repeating block. But on this problem, we're going to have to move the decimal point 2 places to the right to make that happen. So in this problem, we have to multiply by 100 at the beginning. Okay, so when we multiply by 100, we have 231.7 repeating. Okay, but now since we multiplied by 100, we have to now divide by 100. Okay, so we have 231.7 repeating divided by 100. Okay, now we can take 231.7 repeating and make that 231 and 7 ninths. So we have 231 and 7 ninths divided by 100. Okay, we can change both of these into fractions. Okay, so to take 231 and 7 ninths, turn that into a fraction, we need to multiply the 231 times the 9. I'm using a calculator. Okay, and then I'm adding 7. I'm getting 2,079. Then I'm adding 7, and I get 2,086. Okay, so I have 2,086 over 9 divided by, okay, 100 is a fraction, is just 100 over 1. So we have 2,086 over 9 divided by 100 over 1. Okay, so now we just copy, change, flip. 2,086 over 9 times 1 over 100. So we have a multiply problem with fractions. Okay, multiply the tops. I'm not worried about things being reduced on this particular lesson, okay? I'm not even worried about that. I just want to make sure you can prove that they're fractions. Okay, so 2,086 times 1 is 2,086. 9 times 100 is 900. Okay, so 2.317 repeating is equal to the fraction 2,086 over 900. Okay, the only thing different about this problem than the other is we had to move the decimal 2 to the right at the beginning, which is multiplying by 100, and then we had to divide by 100 to cancel that out, to balance that out. Okay, let me know if you have questions on this.